Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the two important tags in HTML, superscript and subscript. Mainly these tags are used to write the chemical formula and mathematical expression. So let's see what is the function of these tags and how do you design it. This is the HTML page and already I have created normal HTML document, but now I am explaining the superscript tag, and this tag is used to display the text in superscript format. That means the text will appear slightly above the normal line, okay, slightly above the normal line. And subscript tag is used to display the subscript format. That means it will appear, the word will appear slightly below the normal line. Mainly these two tags are used to write the word of any mathematical value, any mathematical formula or chemical formula also. Okay, for in this purpose these two tags are used. Suppose now I am doing the superscript tag. Superscript tag means you have to write the SUP, this tag. Okay, this is the superscript tag. See this. Now I am writing the x square. Okay, so x you have to write and 2 slightly above of the x. Write x and 2 within superscript tag. That means we have to keep 2 slightly above. So which word, which letter you want to keep slightly above, this letter you have to keep within superscript tag. Okay, so now let's check the output. This is the output. See, x square is the output now. So without superscript, what will be the output? Let's check. When I delete the superscript, what will be the output? See, just x and 2, okay, in one line, but it is not x square. So when we want to write x square, we have to place within so now this is the output. Okay, then subscript. Okay, suppose I am writing the chemical formula of water, H2O. H, then 2 slightly below the normal text, and then O. So I am writing H, and 2 we have to write slightly below. So 2 we have to keep within subscript SUB. This is the subscript tag, then 2, and then you have to close the subscript tag because this is the container element, then O. Okay. So what will be the output? Let's check. See, H2O. Okay. So in this way we can write different chemical formula or mathematical expression. I am using P for paragraph. That means these two words, X square and H2O, in our output window, these two words are in same line. I want to keep this line in next line, that's why I am using P. Okay, so let's check now. See, now H2O in next line. So in that case you can use P. Already I have explained the P tag in my previous video. Okay, so I have given the video link in the description box. You can see. So in this way superscript and subscript format you can use. Okay, suppose you you forgot to close the subscript tag. Okay, suppose you didn't write the closing tag of the subscript, H subscript tag and 2 then O. What will be the output that time? See, H, 2 and then O. 2 and O in slightly below. So it is wrong. That's why you must close the subscript tag here. See, now it is correct. So in this way you can use subscript and superscript tag. So today's video up to this, and next video for the next topic of HTML. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.